In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ElevenLabs, one of the most advanced AI voice generation platforms available today. Whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, or just someone who wants to experiment with realistic AI voices, this tool can be a game changer for you. Let's start from the very beginning. First, head over to the ElevenLabs website and create a free account. Once you sign up, you'll be given 10,000 free credits every month. That's already enough to get started and explore most of the features. Now, if you want to go beyond the free tier, ElevenLabs has several subscription options to choose from. The free plan, as the name suggests, costs nothing and gives you 10,000 credits each month, along with basic access to text-to-speech, speech-to-text, studio, and API. The next step is the starter plan at just $5 per month. This unlocks 30,000 credits, a commercial license, instant voice cloning, and access to a wider selection of voices and dubbing tools. If you want even more flexibility, there's the creator plan at $22 per month. This plan is perfect for content creators who need 100,000 credits, higher quality audio, professional voice cloning, and the ability to scale with usage-based billing. For heavier use, the Pro plan at $99 per month gives you 500,000 credits along with faster processing and priority support. Businesses that require larger capacity can go for the Scale plan at $330 per month, which comes with 2 million credits and additional seats for teams. Bigger operations may prefer the business plan at $1,320 per month, which provides 11 million credits, low latency text-to-speech, advanced voice cloning, and professional level features. And for massive organizations, there's the Enterprise plan, which has custom pricing depending on your needs, so you can negotiate the credits, seats, and support that fit your scale. So whether you're just experimenting for fun, creating content regularly, or running a large production team, ElevenLabs has a plan designed for your level. Now let's move on to the main thing that ElevenLabs is most known for, which is text-to-speech. When you log in, you'll find yourself on the home page, and on the left-hand panel, you'll see shortcuts to different tools and features. To start generating speech, click on Instant Speech. Here you'll find a text box where you can type or paste the words you want to convert into audio. Before you hit Generate, take a look at the settings on the right-hand side. At the very top, there's a voice selector. Clicking on this will open ElevenLabs' voice library, where you can preview different voices. You simply click the play button to listen, and once you find one you like, select it to use. Just below the voice selector, you'll see the model selection. This is where you decide how your audio is generated, and the choice of model makes a big difference. 11 Flash V 2.5 is the fastest option, optimized for real-time applications where you need an instant response. 11 Multilingual V2 is a very popular choice, and it happens to be my personal favorite because it supports multiple languages and allows you to adjust speed, stability, similarity, and even add style exaggeration for a more expressive result. Then there's 11 V3 Alpha, the newest and most experimental model that is already producing some of the most realistic voices yet. Once you've chosen your model, you can continue exploring voices in more detail. You can search by typing a keyword like narrator, child, young adult, or even by accent or race. If you want to be more specific, you can use the filters, which let you narrow down voices by language, accent, category, quality, gender, and age. This makes it much easier to find the exact voice that matches the tone and style you're looking for. But ElevenLabs is not limited to text-to-speech alone. They've recently added a sound effects library, which is far more advanced and dynamic than free alternatives like Pixabay. You can instantly generate modern and even viral sound effects that are ready to use for your project. Another powerful addition is ElevenLabs Studio. This allows you to create full audiobooks simply by uploading a manuscript. The system will automatically generate a professional narration for the entire book. You can also produce podcasts directly from documents. All you need to do is upload your script, and ElevenLabs converts it into a natural sounding podcast episode almost instantly. There are other useful tools as well, such as URL to audio, where you paste a website link and have the text converted into speech, and the AI script generator, which helps you brainstorm ideas and automatically produce written content for your projects. Finally, ElevenLabs also includes a video section. This part focuses less on generating voices from scratch and more on adding AI voices to video projects, fixing mistakes in recordings, and synchronizing audio with visuals. We won't go into detail about that today since this tutorial is focused on voice generation, but if you'd like a full walkthrough of those video tools, let me know in the comments below. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers.
Hi there and welcome to this quick demo of ElevenLabs. What you're hearing right now is not a human voice. It's actually generated entirely by ElevenLabs text-to-speech technology. The beauty of this platform is how natural and expressive the voices sound. You can choose from hundreds of voices in different accents, ages, and tones. You can even fine-tune how the voice performs by adjusting speed, stability, and similarity, giving you full control over the style of delivery. For example, you might want a warm and friendly narrator for an audiobook, or a clear and professional voice for training videos. ElevenLabs makes it possible to switch instantly between these styles, all with just a few clicks. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment or voice actors to achieve high-quality audio. ElevenLabs handles everything for you, turning plain text into lifelike speech in seconds. This is just a small glimpse of what's possible. Imagine the content you could create with voices this realistic.
And that's it. Now you know how to use ElevenLabs to create realistic AI voices, generate sound effects, and even build audiobooks or podcasts. It's a complete platform that can take your content creation to the next level, whether you're just starting out or managing professional scale production. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.